Hello viewers, this is Pinaz Ahmed and you're watching Prague Digital. Today we will be talking about two major incidents that has taken in the state of Assam. Two girls stabbed by a mission in the Dhemaji district has created major safety concerns among the people. On the other hand, the law has declared the bail to the rape accused of Guwahati IIT, stating that he is the real asset of the state and the future asset of the state and he is talented. Can you believe that law is blind metaphorically? No. This tagline and this decision by the law has provided sense to everyone in the state that law can be literally blind. Let's have a true integration in both of the stories and find out your views and opinion regarding the stories and how you can relate and you can question whom to approach and whom to trust.
The safety of girls and its discussion have become a daily part of our lives. The more slogans we raise every time, the more cases are recorded. Why the nation even talks about women empowerment when in reality, women empowerment has become just a myth? Let's have a look into the recent incidents of threat to girls' life and rights. A sensational event took place on August 21 where two girls of Maridhal College, Dhemaji were fatally stabbed in broad daylight in the Dhemaji town. The accused, Rintu Sharma, who works as a library assistant in the same college, had romantic affections for the victims. On being ignored, he took this extreme step as claimed by the locals. Doctors treating the victims have reported the condition of both remains critical at this point. Now, a big shock for the people who thought of approaching the court for justice. Recently, Guwahati High Court granted bail to the IIT Guwahati rape accused on grounds stating he is talented, he is the state's future asset. The nation is bleeding on the delayed justice and crimes on girls. Yet, time passes by and a blind system of judgment provides unfair decisions. The bail granted has backed the IIT Guwahati rape case accused that an individual's character means nothing in the case of intelligence and talent, and that too considering the severity and sensitiveness of the issue. One can hold the tag of intelligence and continue to do crimes with no fear. And statements thus following from the hand of law thus raise the thought. The tag of talent verifies all the wrong. Such decision brings doubt among people regarding whom to trust and whom to approach.